If your dog's breath is less than fresh, or you're worried about plaque or tartar buildup on their teeth, this is a great product to try. This is the Virbac C.E.T. Enzymatic Toothpaste, and is specifically designed for dogs to help control plaque and tartar while also freshening their breath. It has a nice poultry flavor that dogs actually like, which honestly makes the whole process so much easier than you'd think. It uses what they call a dual enzyme system that's designed to inhibit plaque formation. So it's actually working on the problem rather than just masking it. And what I really like about this one is that it's safe for your dog to swallow. There are no foaming agents, so if your dog does swallow some while you're brushing, it's not a concern. And that takes a lot of the stress out of actually using it. Virbac is also the #1 recommended dental brand by veterinary professionals, so you know there's actual backing behind it. And is made in the USA, which is always a nice touch. So getting his teeth brushed is not my dog's favorite thing in the world, but he definitely likes the taste of this toothpaste, so that helps a lot. And I know that it's good for his dental health, so it's definitely worth it. So if you've been wanting to be more proactive about your dog's dental health without it being a huge ordeal, this has been an easy way to make that happen, and I definitely recommend giving it a try.